Every single website you see on the internet today uses domain and hosting. In today's lesson, we are going to explore what domain and hosting are and how they work together to ensure you are able to see what you search for on search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and many other search engines. Without further ado, let's get started. Whether you are just starting a new website or making final changes, getting a domain is very important. You may have probably heard of URLs, web addresses, domains, domain names, and many others. All of them are very correct. Domain name is web address, and your web address is your domain name. Example of domain names are google.com, facebook.com, maxibend.com, semantic.ai.com, Bila.com, and many other domains. Websites host a lot of files on the server, including images, videos, PDFs, and many other files that probably you may love your visitors to see. The domain name is just an identifier that is able to pull out all of these files and then sends it out to the visitors to be able to see what exactly the developer wants them to see. Our web address, URL, or domain is www.maxibend.com. And if you type this domain on Google, it will land you to our website where you will see the content, the images, the videos, and whatever information we want to relay or show to our visitors. There are a lot of companies that sells domains online, from .com domains to .net, .org, and many others, which we'll look into as we move ahead. However, one of the companies that we normally buy domains from is Namecheap.com. Their domains are very affordable and reliable. Hosting, on the other hand, is an online server that makes your website accessible to visitors. So anytime you buy a hosting space or buy hosting, in simply put, you are renting an online space to make it possible for you to host your website or web app. There are different types of hosting. We have the shared hosting, we have the VPS, also known as the virtual private server, we have the dedicated server, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and many others. Whatever hosting plan you would have to choose will depend on the type of project you are working on, or maybe per client specific requirement. It is good to know that domain and hosting works hand in hand, and therefore after buying a domain, you would have to point it through your hosting to make it work. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share with your family and friends. See you again in the next video.